How's it going, everybody? Here's a new one for you. This is a Hampton Bay ceiling fan, and as you can see, it does not have screws that hold this globe in right here. No screws. So if the light bulb goes out, how in the world are you supposed to get this thing off of here? You know, you're supposed to pry it off. You're supposed to, you know, what are you supposed to do? Call a friend? You know, what are you supposed to do? Here's what you do. Get yourself a short step ladder. Depending on how high you need to reach, of course. Step up on her here. Hold yourself steady. You know, you don't want to fall down and kill yourself. You're just trying to swap out the light bulb here. The issue is this needs to be unscrewed to get to the light bulb. And if it is stuck and is not turning, here's what you do. Get you a damp cloth or something and wipe any dust off of the dome here. You know, wipe it off. Dampen the palm of your hand so that it can get a little stick to it, and then just give it a nice turn, lefty-loosey of course, but you may have to whop on it. Be careful. I mean, this thing is very sturdy, so it's not going to break or anything, but give it a good whopping and it should come off. But yeah, this is threaded onto here. Then you can get to your funky little light bulb. As you can see, it's not a common light bulb either. So anyway, that's how you get to it. Then make sure you clean all this off. You know, clean everything off around here. Put her back in place. Gently screw her back on. And there you go. Good old Hampton Bay. They know how to make a ceiling fan that no one can get into. So that's the story. If this helped you out, left you free of frustration, check out our other videos, subscribe, like, follow, blah, blah, blah. Even feel free to donate to us if you can, because we're always doing stuff, and you know, it's not easy, free, cheap to do decent videos. So, hope this helped y'all out. We will see y'all soon. Have a good day.